What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope y'all are having another good day. So I'm in the truck right now. We're just gonna say dually. That's all. I'm gonna say that for now, the dually. We're in the dually right now, heading on over to what's called the hobby shop. I'm actually gonna meet up with my boy Adrian. He got a 4th gen just like mine, but he got a 2013 blue. It's pretty sharp looking. We're gonna go and do oil changes together. So yeah. I got all the stuff in the back. Oh snap, we got a little gift back there, sneak peek for you guys. And then we got the oil filter. Before I left, I went ahead and added, so you guys know me, it ain't no new story. I run AMSOIL. If you guys need AMSOIL products, get down in the descriptions of my videos. Reach out to my AMSOIL dealer, Adrian, and he will get you set up with some AMSOIL products, and you can save 10% if you mention me to him. And yeah, so I went ahead and added AMSOIL engine flush to the engine. You basically pour it in, let it run for 10 to 15 minutes, drain the oil, put clean oil in it, just to anything that could potentially be in there, varnish, sludge, burnt oil, whatever it is, soot, that's another thing. Any of that crap, we can get it out when we go to drain the oil. And I have the Geno's drain valve, which we're going to install, because that's a game changer right there alone. So we actually just pulling up right now. I got to get out up here and talk to them so I can get me a bay. Once we get a bay and I get pulled in on the lift, I'll get back with y'all. Never again.
No more. Fucking Geno's drain valve. Look at that shit.
Yeah.
That shit's coming out like pussy squirt.
Put that duck juice in there.
Yeah. And they got a single piece drive shaft. I didn't even know that. Oh.
Down here. I want to get some. Do they still have the wash bay over there? Or you can put it on the lip? I want to put it over there, pressure wash it, and spray it with some salt away. And you see my. I want to get that pinion changed. Because the back here is like a little wet. I don't know if it's a gasket. It was wet before. Let me take this shit off though. Rocks inside the frame.
just gonna piece together all these clips.
Yeah. Piece them together, make a little collage.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
All right, so my camera died. I don't know if you guys can tell from if you can tell from the the quality of the film, but hopefully it's still good for y'all. This is on my Note 10. So yeah, so oil change is done, you guys. Real quick for the video, I did not talk during, well I did, but like I didn't there's music dubbed over the video, basically because the dudes that were working next to us in the bay next to us, they had music playing and stuff, which I wasn't going to sit there and be like, hey, turn your music off from filming, and I don't want to get copyrighted, because then the video doesn't, you know, get monetized. So I just figured I can dub over it with some music or something. But yeah, so we did the oil change. First time the truck was on the lift since I've owned it, so I was able to get a good, you know, look underneath of the truck, which it looks really good, considering it is a Texas truck, but I bought it from Illinois. It looks good. You know, little small surface stuff, nothing crazy, nothing that definitely can't be cleaned up. Take a wire wheel, some undercarriage spray, and, you know, clean her up a little bit. But yeah, so fresh oil change. I did AMSOIL. I did add some hot shot stiction to it. Reason behind that was because I had some lying around. I just wanted to get rid of it. I was gonna throw it away because it's there. I paid for it, so I added some of that. I will say this though, there was an immediate tone difference with the engine in terms of the noise. So before I drained the oil, it sounded like a tractor. It was clacking. It almost, I know one of the subscribers or one of the followers commented a while ago saying that it sounded like it needed a valve lash adjustment. Not no more. It's quiet. As soon as I cranked her up, you know, oil pressure built up, all that good stuff. She sounds awesome. So it's sounding like how it's supposed to. So one of the perks of AMSOIL, I went ahead and did AMSOIL 5W40, the series, what is it? Signature series. I did that. And then I added the stiction. I also ran the AMSOIL engine flush. Hope you guys can still see me good. I ran the AMSOIL engine flush for about, actually I did like 20 minutes, but I let it idle for about 15-20 minutes. Drained it. If you guys notice, when I drained it, it came out basically like water. That's because of the AMSOIL flush. It loosens everything in there, and when you drain it, one, it drains faster. Two, everything just pours out, man. It's like the engine had diarrhea. You know, oil came out looking nice and black like diesel oil does. I'm trying to think about something else. Yeah, that was it, man. And we also went ahead and slapped on a Smedin billet oil cap for the front of the oil valve cover. It was a cop. I made sure he wasn't looking at me weird. We slapped on the oil cover cap for the oil cap. Basically, looks cool. And then I did a Mopar filter. So if you're wondering why I did a Mopar oil filter, that's because AMSOIL currently is out of stock of their synthetic filters that I usually put on the truck. So I just bought that one online. It came in today actually, so timing was perfect. And yeah, we did that, man. It sounds good. This truck sounds way better now since that oil change. I'm not, y'all know me, I don't fluff nothing now, but I'm being real. It does. It's a lot more quieter. It sounded, they probably had some of the cheapest crap you can put in here, and they had a Purelator filter on there. Like, don't do that, you guys. If you guys saw that, you saw that, man, it is tight in here. They had the Purelator filter on there, so you guys saw that. Let me go ahead and park this big behemoth, because I'm in a tight neighborhood, and then I'll get with y'all. How you pause that right there? All right, so I just got her parked. Oh, yeah, I can show you guys that too. The truck also got tinted as well. So 2 days not rolled down. Today's the second day. Give y'all an inside view real quick. Oh, what's that? We got a turbo right there. So I went ahead and did 15% on the front doors, 5% over factory stock tinted. You can't see in the back doors, and the back glass is 5% as well. We're also going to go ahead and get the windshield tinted. I'm going to do a ceramic tint, 35%. But yeah, this thing came out sick, so you guys can see that. Good oil pressure, good oil temp, all that. Got to add washer fluid, got to delete the truck. Stupid knock sensor, check engine light keeps staying on. But yeah, man, this is my baby. She balling, man. First official maintenance done on her. Get out real quick, let y'all see. I'll let y'all see and hear the truck. So this is what it looks like with the tint. Now the front, it looks light because the light's coming in the windshield. The sun's right on that side. One sec. Yeah, so like I was saying, the tent, this side's not bad. Yeah, so basically when I tint the front windshield, you ain't gonna be able to see inside. Some trash. Boo-boo exhaust. All right, so something else I want to show you guys before we get off, if you stuck it out this far. Check it out, check it out. Comment down below. Tell me what size you think this is. I think you guys will like that. All right, so thank you guys for joining. Until next time, I will see you guys again. Thumbs the video up, comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you for joining. Shout out to my boy Adrian, who came out with me when we was doing the maintenance. And the thumbnail, the blue Fortune you saw, that's actually his truck. We didn't film anything, but we did an oil change on his truck as well and changed his fuel filters on his Air Dog. You'll be seeing his truck again on the channel. We got some cool stuff coming for his truck along with mine. I'm trying to think of something else. Yeah, that's it really. Oh, if you need AMSO, down below in the description, go to my boy Adrian's website. You can order anything you need. Use my code, which is also down below, or you can email, mention me, save 10% on AMSO products. I'll see you guys later.